how to add Stan store link to Instagram. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's talk about the different ways on how you will be able to put a Stan link on your Instagram account. Now you could put this on your posts, on your captioning, on your different posts, on your note, on your My Day, and on your bio as well. Those are the different places you could put your links. What I would recommend though that you use is a string or a link tree, which will basically allow you to put multiple links into one single links, which will allow you to have just one necessary link to be put on your bio and have as many Stan link as you need be placed on our link tree over here, similarly with how our link tree on the right is structured. You have different links over here, but this is all visible under one general link, which is something very useful instead of adding as many link tree admin or other Stan links that you have. So anyway, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.